Menudo, chicken gizzard and lever.
Cook first chicken gizzard and lever, together with onions and garlic. Add magic syrup, bay leaves, and ground black pepper. Cooked in 15 minutes. 1 piece half-cooked potato and carrot. Bell pepper. Chili peppers. Oyster sauce. Separate the lever from gizzard. After it is being cooked for 15 minutes, add soy sauce and vinegar. Add the sliced half-cooked potato and carrot. Cook until meat become tender, and mix every now and then. Add bell pepper. Chili pepper. Mix. Add soft drink to taste. Continue cooking until meat become tender. Add salt to taste, then mix. Check. Add oyster sauce. Checking if it is already tender. Then add back the lever, then mix. Cook for additional 15 minutes. Alright, ready to serve. Let's do it.